Gonna change the tie rod on this cat eye. Very bad. All this far from super bad. Off. So now that the screw is off, you just hit under, and that came out easy. And now it's off. So now you just had to disconnect it over there, and it's off. So yep. Guys, so we just got our brand new tie rod, and we got the tool to remove the tie rod from the truck. This is the tool component. So yeah, so it's pretty simple. I'll show you guys once I remove the tie rod, the old tie rod, how it's supposed to be used. So yeah, it's a big box, but yeah. So we're untying it. It's already loose. It's out. So this is the difference. Bad, and this is the good one. So yeah, this one's trash, and then we're gonna install this, the good one. Now, put it where it goes, right here. Oh, it's not even going in. Let me go on there. Oh. Too much cream sealant. Okay, that's good. So now you just grab the tool, put the key right here, and then twist it. Okay, we got the tool installed, so now it's time to twist. So a full demonstration is you have to untie the bolt back there with this tool, which I rented in O'Reilly's for $100, and you have to unbolt this screw down here, hit it right here with the hammer right here like 3 times right after you unscrew this bolt, and then you unscrew this one right here with a wrench and take this off, replace this if you're doing both tie rods. So yeah, and then it just comes off, and you do the same thing as I did, and it should be easy. So yeah, that's that.